Have you ever wondered how animals perceive the world? Animals, our co-inhabitants of this beautiful planet, possess a variety of unique senses that we humans can only dream of. These senses are not just about sight, sound, taste, smell, and touch. They extend far beyond into realms we can barely comprehend. From the deep blue sea to the highest peaks, animals employ these extraordinary senses to navigate their environment, find food, and avoid predators. They can detect magnetic fields, interpret ultraviolet light, perceive electrical currents, and even communicate through seismic vibrations. Now imagine if we were to rank these senses from the fascinating to the downright bizarre. How would that look? Well, that's exactly what we're about to do. We've compiled a list of the top 10 weirdest animal senses, and we'll be counting them down one by one. Get ready as we delve into the top 10 weird animal senses you've never heard of. Kicking off our countdown at number 10, we have sharks with their baffling electroreception. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is electroreception? Well, it's a sixth sense that allows sharks to detect electrical fields in the water. This extraordinary ability gives them an edge when hunting for prey, as every living creature emits a tiny amount of electrical energy. Even when hidden under the sand, a fish can't escape the sharp electroreceptive skills of a shark. Electroreception also helps sharks navigate their vast ocean home. The Earth's magnetic field produces electrical currents in the sea, which sharks can sense and use as a sort of natural GPS. So, while we humans rely on maps and satellite navigation, sharks have their own built-in version. Isn't that just mind-boggling? Next time you're lost, just think about how a shark would handle it. Imagine being able to sense the electrical energy around you, just like a shark. At number 9, we have pigeons and their uncanny magnetic sense. Pigeons, often seen strutting around city squares, have a secret superpower. They can sense the Earth's magnetic fields. Yes, you heard that right. These seemingly ordinary birds have an extraordinary ability that baffles scientists to this day. This magnetic sense, or magnetoreception, is like a built-in compass that helps pigeons navigate, even over long distances. Imagine being able to orient yourself no matter where you are without needing a map or a GPS. That's what pigeons can do. Their brains are wired to perceive magnetic fields, connecting them to the Earth in a way that is beyond human comprehension. Scientists are still trying to unlock the mystery of how exactly pigeons use this sense. Some theories suggest they use it to migrate, while others propose it helps them return home. Regardless, it's an incredible ability that only a few creatures possess. Ever wish you had a built-in GPS? Pigeons beat us to it! Number 8 on our list brings us to snakes and their amazing infrared detection. Imagine being able to see the world not through light and color, but through heat. That's exactly what snakes do. This unique sense is all thanks to a special organ known as the pit organ. Located between the eye and the nostril on both sides of a snake's head, these organs are, in essence, biological infrared detectors. The pit organs can sense heat from other creatures even in complete darkness. This means snakes can precisely locate and track their warm-blooded prey, even if it's hiding. It's like having a built-in thermal imaging camera. Different snakes have different levels of sensitivity, but some can detect a change in temperature as small as 0.002 of a degree. Now, that's what we call a superpower. So in the grand game of hide-and-seek in the animal kingdom, snakes have a distinct advantage. Who needs night vision goggles when you're a snake? Coming in at number 7, we have elephants and their seismic communication. Now you may be wondering, what exactly does seismic communication mean? Well, it's quite fascinating. Elephants have this incredible ability to communicate with each other through the ground. Yes, you heard that right. Through the ground. They send out signals by producing low-frequency sounds, so low that we humans can't even hear them. These sounds, or calls, travel through the earth as seismic waves. Elephants pick up these vibrations through their sensitive feet and trunks. It's a bit like how we feel the rumble of a distant train. This seismic communication allows elephants to send messages over vast distances to their fellow herd members. It's a crucial part of their social structure, used for everything from warning others of danger to finding mates. So, next time you see an elephant with its foot pressed to the ground, remember, it might be having a chat. Talk about long-distance communication. Elephants have it down pat. At number 6, we have bats and their awesome echolocation ability. Now you might be wondering, what is echolocation? Well, it's a method used by bats to navigate and find food in the dark by sending out sound waves. When these waves hit an object, they bounce back to the bat, providing crucial information about the object's size, shape, and distance. Consider this. A bat can emit up to 60 sound pulses every second. That's right, every second. And the frequencies of these sounds are so high that they're beyond the range of human hearing. This incredible ability allows bats to navigate through the darkest of nights, avoid obstacles, and pinpoint tiny insects for a midnight snack. And here's something even more mind-boggling. Some bats can even detect the speed and direction of their prey by interpreting the change in pitch of the returned echoes. Now that's what we call precision hunting. Bats truly take seeing with sound to a whole new level. We're halfway through, and at number 5, we have bees and their polarized light sense. Now imagine if you could see the sunlight's secret patterns invisible to the human eye. Well, bees can do just that. They have the incredible ability to see polarized light, a skill that significantly aids them in navigation. This unique sense allows bees to determine the sun's position in the sky, even when it's completely hidden behind thick clouds. It's like having their very own natural GPS, guiding them to flowers rich in nectar and back to their hive. The fascinating thing about polarized light is that it creates specific patterns in the sky which bees can interpret. This means that no matter where they are or what the weather is like, bees can always find their way home. So, while we humans rely on our smartphones for directions, bees have had this sophisticated navigation system for millions of years. Bees definitely see the world in a different light. Number 4 brings us to dolphins and their echolocation. So what is echolocation? It's a biological sonar used by certain animals, including our friendly dolphins. They emit sounds like clicks and whistles into their environment and listen for the echoes bouncing back. This helps them construct a mental map of their surroundings. Imagine being in a completely dark room and still being able to find your way around just by the sounds you make. That's what it's like for dolphins under the sea. This incredible sense is crucial for them to find food. When a sound wave hits something like a tasty fish, it echoes back to the dolphin. The dolphin then processes this echo to determine the distance, size, shape, and even the speed of the fish. Not only that, but echolocation also helps dolphins navigate the often murky and dark ocean depths, avoiding obstacles and predators. Dolphins truly have a sound way of navigating the ocean. Coming in at number 3, we have butterflies and their ultraviolet vision. Butterflies are not just pretty insects fluttering around in your garden. They possess a unique sense that helps them survive and thrive in nature. They have the remarkable ability to see ultraviolet light, a spectrum of light that is invisible to the human eye. This extraordinary vision is vital for butterflies as it guides them in finding nectar, their primary food source. The ultraviolet light illuminates the nectar in flowers, making it stand out against the foliage. Not only that, but ultraviolet vision also plays a crucial role in their mating rituals. Male butterflies can see patterns on female butterflies that are invisible to us, helping them identify possible mates. Butterflies' ultraviolet vision is a fascinating adaptation that gives them an edge in their ecosystem. So, next time you see a butterfly, remember they're not just fluttering aimlessly. They're exploring a world of color and pattern we can only dream of. Butterflies truly see a world full of color we can only dream of. At number 2, we have dogs and their extraordinary sense of smell. Now, we all know Fido can sniff out that hidden treat no matter where you've hidden it. But did you know just how powerful a dog's sense of smell truly is? It's been estimated that dogs have a sense of smell that's between 10,000 to 100,000 times as acute as ours. Now, imagine being able to smell a single drop of perfume in a large house or even an entire city. This incredible olfactory ability is thanks to their approximately 300 million olfactory receptors compared to our measly 5 million. It's like having a superpower, and it's what makes our canine companions so good at tracking and detection tasks. From search and rescue missions, to sniffing out drugs or explosives, to detecting diseases like cancer, dogs put their phenomenal noses to work every day. Dogs definitely lead the pack when it comes to sniffing out scents. And finally, at number 1, we have the mantis shrimp and its unparalleled vision. Unlike humans who can see 3 primary colors, the mantis shrimp has an astonishing ability to perceive 16. This includes colors from the ultraviolet spectrum, which are entirely invisible to the human eye. The mantis shrimp's eyes are divided into 3 sections, each capable of detecting different types of light. This trinocular vision allows the shrimp to gauge depth and distance with pinpoint accuracy, a handy trait when hunting in the vibrant underwater world it inhabits. The shrimp's visual prowess doesn't stop there. It can also discern polarized light, a type of light wave that humans can't naturally see. This feature gives the mantis shrimp an almost secret mode of communication undetectable by predators. There's no doubt about it, the mantis shrimp's vision is truly remarkable. It's almost like having a built-in, high-tech, super-powered microscope. The mantis shrimp surely has the most colorful view of the world. From sharks sensing electrical fields to mantis shrimp seeing a rainbow of colors, animals truly have a unique way of experiencing the world. We've journeyed through the animal kingdom, uncovering 10 peculiar senses. We've delved into the aquatic world of sharks with their electroreception and the colorful universe of mantis shrimp with their unparalleled vision. We've soared high with pigeons and their magnetic sense, and burrowed deep with elephants and their seismic communication. We've slithered with snakes, exploring their infrared detection, and buzzed with bees, understanding their sense of polarized light. We've navigated the dark with bats and dolphins, both armed with echolocation, and fluttered with butterflies beholding the world through their ultraviolet vision. And of course, we've walked alongside our best friends, dogs, marveling at their extraordinary sense of smell. And that concludes our countdown. It's a wild world out there, full of surprises and marvels. Until next time, keep exploring,